Want to earn money online with zero writing skills or experience? Here's a super simple method. Offer blog writing services using ChatGPT and get paid up to $150 per day. Checkmark Step 1. Use ChatGPT, free. Go to https://chat.openai.com and sign up for free. Let's say a client wants a blog on best productivity tools. Just prompt ChatGPT with, at channel name, write a 1,000-word blog post on top productivity tools for remote workers in a friendly, SEO-friendly tone. Author name. Boom. Done in seconds. Briefcase Step 2. Create a Fiverr gig. Go to https://fiverr.com, sign up, and create a gig. Title. I will write SEO blog posts using AI like ChatGPT. Starting price. $25 to $30 per post. Once you get reviews, raise your rate to $50 plus. Repeat button. Step 3. Deliver fast, build trust. Use ChatGPT to generate content, polish it with Grammarly, format it nicely, and deliver it fast. Good reviews equals more orders. Money bag. Step 4. Scale to $150 per day. 3 blog posts per day at $50 each equals $150 per day. Offer content bundles or niche topics to earn even more. Bullseye. You don't need experience. ChatGPT does the writing. You just manage and deliver. It's a beginner-friendly side hustle with real income potential. At channel name, want a full walkthrough?